Oh my gosh, it is so sunny. I don't know how this is gonna go. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tonya Archer, and on this channel I do mostly natural hair videos and sometimes some other random ones. I'm in a totally different location today. I'm not even in Canada. I'm in a beautiful country called Guyana, located in South America. It is a Caribbean country, but it's located in South America. A lot of other Caribbean people like to say that Guyana is not a part of the Caribbean, but it is, okay? We are a part of the Caribbean. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I style my hair, or how I would style my hair, my natural hair for New Year's Eve, or like, you know, holiday season. I'm going to be showing you guys two different styles. It's going to be in two separate videos, so if you guys want to check out the other style, just click the link in the bio. This first style I absolutely love because it's so simple to do. Well, both of them are really simple to do. But this first one is a natural hair, kind of frizzy, Diana Ross inspired updo, which I love so much. Okay, let's just get into it. All right, let's get into it. So for this very first style, I actually started off with my hair straightened. If you guys want to see how I straighten my hair, just click the link in the bio. You don't necessarily need to straighten your hair for this style, but this is how I did it. To create this style, you're going to need three things or four things. You're going to need a moisturizer, an oil of your choice. I personally like castor oil, and you're going to need a gel for hold. I use the Eco Style olive oil gel because it just has the strongest hold. And you're also going to need some kind of curling device. I used a perm rod, and yeah, that's it. I used a perm rod for this. I use it in one size, the pink size, as you guys can see on the screen, and that's what I use throughout my entire head. What I do is I section off a small section at the front, and I add my leave-in conditioner or moisturizer. Just rub that in really good and comb it through. Then I add my oil to kind of seal in that moisture. And lastly, I add my gel before putting on the perm rod. I have a really specific way of putting on my perm rod. I make sure that I cover the entire perm rod with my hair. Instead of like wrapping my hair around one section of the perm rod, I try to spread it out throughout the entire perm rod so that it just dries easily, dries faster, and it makes the curl more elongated instead of tighter. So I just start from the tip of my hair, roll it until I get to the root of my hair, and I don't put it too tight because making it too tight is just super uncomfortable to sleep in, and it's just really tight and annoying. So I just put it as close as I'm comfortable with. That's really all I do to apply the perm rods, and I just continue this exact step throughout my entire head of hair. Sometimes I do it backwards, sometimes I do them forward, like, you know, under, and some of them over. It doesn't really matter. I kind of like it messy and untamed and unpredictable, so I do it both ways. Cue the wind. So when I know it's completely dry, that's when I start taking down my perm rods. It usually takes overnight or all day for my hair to dry. So I just wait it out, then take down the perm rods. To take down the perm rods, I just unhook it, unroll it, and then lace my fingers with some oil. Again, I use castor oil every time. So I lace my fingers with castor oil and prepare to separate the curls. With this part, I guess you can kind of play around with it. I like to separate it a lot and make it frizzy for this style. So what I do is I pull the curl down and I just separate it and twirl it around my finger.
Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed.
My updos are super lazy, super laid back, and super messy. So all I do is scoop my hair up at the back, bobby pin it, scoop it at the sides, bobby pin it, and just kind of leave some frizziness hanging. I don't like it too smooth or too tight at the sides or at the back. It's just a really loose, relaxed updo.
Me island beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool.
And that is it for this hairstyle, guys. That is how simple it is to do this updo. I really love it. I love how frizzy it is, like I keep saying, and it just looks natural to my hair texture. And it's also a really nice way to dress up a little bit, like dress up your natural hair a little bit for special occasions like New Year's, like Christmas, like holiday parties and such. So there you have it. That is it for this hairstyle. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Would you rock this hairstyle? I will see you guys in my next video. Toodles.
I want